Apple. Connor's mom, 88. What is going on, guys? And guess what day it is? It's Easter! Yay! I'm sharing my Easter egg with my little sister. As you can see, it's all over the and she's eating a bit right now. Yummy chocolate. Yummy chocolate. As you were saying, it's the day of Easter. By the way, I put this a couple of days ago. It's Turtles GX. She's kicking me in the bed as usual. Yeah. So whenever you're coming, let's go. Where do you want to go? Navia, where do you want to go?
I'm just going to play.
I'm just going with her. Oh no, into my no. So really itchy nose. Don't know why. But I'm gonna turn on the TV. I'm gonna show you a trick that I learned myself with my fidget spinner. So this is like you bounce it in your finger. If you saw my other fidget spinner tricks video, and the first one was when it was spinning, then I bounced it with one finger. That's what I do, and then I throw it onto something and keep it spinning. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you how it looks right now. So I can not be just spinning. Got it. And yeah. I'm gonna need to turn the camera around, guys. Sorry. For safety. Oh wait. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm gonna need to turn the camera around. Right, so I got the fidget spinner spinning. And 1, 2, 3. Don't want a hard surface. So look. Yeah. I'm coming. Navia, you do pee-pees? Navia, come on. My sister needs to do pee-pee in the toilet. So sit down.
Pee in the toilet.
Well, you're about to say potty there.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Hello. Right, come on then.
yeah. Stay chatting and peace out.